ne regional secretary. Johnson the secretary. Regional executives Nana Akuffo Addo Damano na Mr. NDC branches across the region. There are 6,737 branches in say they should get ready. We're coming to them.
More quiet election, Anna.
Debbie. We are monitoring our branches. They perceive who be branches, no. Be a home city. Yes, branches in
Okay.
We are visiting all our branches. Now we see branches in whole city. No more be here. They are here. Juma.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Party. Yeah, they are far born in Gungumbo. The bloody pen putting tactics idea. Polling station elections, so blood will put in go for land, they need Sadadi and the near management. And I into my mother room, the quacker hair matches. Coffee, Unipa dim tra. No, and a casa, you know. I say, Pangabu say, MVP Babem 2017. Na can seek 500 Ghana because we are elections.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
You know the 500 Ghana track from 2012 back at 2013. True, how can it be possible? Because Bamba no way this na. Only two Bangabu. Two Bangabu in 2012. Into a co-election 20 we a kind of 500. Pangabu yeah food da draw. And by 1992, na minimum be all farms by 2012 no lose elections no. Na minimum be all farms were dress in Pangabu there. This is state farms no. On the tractors be Pangabu is somebody NDC.
Yeah.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
No, we call elections we lose you in or book can 5 no they track from 2012 to 2017. Pangabu no na dey no odomo ye no. He lost the elections. He wanted to have control of the NDC in Nigeria and determine who becomes the candidate.
Oh, okay.
What the point I'm saying? And determine who becomes the candidate. At the time he wanted to have control of the party in the NDC in Nigeria, we didn't create that opportunity for him. So eventually, Bawa became the parliamentary candidate other than the wish of Pangabu. Nibuafu. Yanne Tanasim Pebebre. Then he vowed to let Bawa lose the election.
87.9 Kumasi.
Nyame, any NDC, and what then Kabo Mono, Bawa winning elections. And why you peeved? And why he's been working, he came to a congress in Kume, we sacked him.
Oh, sir.
We sacked him, we chased him out of the congress.
To NDC.
Then consider as NDC, and they are a little joke of the enemy. And when you see Pangabu praising Sayajuma Basabasaya Kufaru, yeah. Hey, Master Kofi, go and ask government workers. Who could help control and counter general schedule or year for payment for 2022?
Supposed to have been 25th.
Government workers were supposed to have been paid 25th for this month. As at for India. And this is the reckless management of the economy we have had. I have not seen this in my 30 years of being in active politics. Me who be that? E bin si that. So when me hear beer. For Aketia, into the second, third day of the next month. They don't know when they're going to get their paycheck. This is how low, weak our economy has become. Under the braggart economist, Dr. Baumia's watch. He can only brag. He doesn't know anything about economics.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Now, babies, and then you hear them and sometimes they look miserable. COVID happened in Togo. It happened in Tanzania. COVID about Togo, about in Tanzania. So how come your city has become the weakest in Africa? Now all the COVID need to do aka. What happened to the other poor countries like Chad, like Burundi, like Lesotho? Our economy bounce back. There was COVID too, and sometimes it looks like when you don't know economics, now it's a different ball game. When you don't know economics, look, you have the reason.
87.9.
The budget that was presented for us in 2019, they be 2020. You told us you have reserved for import cover for 3 months for 2020. COVID emerged in 2020 March. And it means that you had entered into a new financial year. Your reserve had not been touched because expenditures go deep. And then you are not engaging in any financial activity until you keep your dollars intact. It is now dollars anywhere. They were not moving. There was no trade. They were here. You open up your economy somewhere September, 6 months after you locked it up. You should have so much money at your disposal. You should have so much money at your disposal. What has brought us to this point? And baby, I didn't have do any say. Aban we akaka bensem ni to know. What time ska pay tax on Sanyankai? No, what time ska 144,000 Akufo Addo for Adiaba. Who buy a bands
120,000.
The any the demand no. The cost of the jet, if we Belgium. A fly to America.
Akoma FM 87.9
$144,000. And this out $10 if your mem say Jumoya. Abandon a $1 na shorty. This is a useless, workless expenditure. I didn't go far back. Abandon go answer too. About 2 crank in Yamia. Yatam $144,000. 120 no the different and yeah chop
and a birthday gift.
And a birthday gift. What I say? Now I mean to 120,000 if you know what you know. I hold your moon can't go pinty. The says go to go pinting nine.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
I buy with this Seska. Yet the same amount of money for Canada, Japan, yeah, one quarter.
Canada, Japan say or more the normal flights.
They were jetted in private jets.
I'm saying a private jet. Saying what was available.
Let's take Addo first from the Akoma. Then the president flies 10 days. Meanwhile, the buy.
Now president took on
president
took on national
assignment. President jet no esi ho. You will be whole. Now they say the man you were free. Rental of jet no as will issue because that is terminal 3 jet needs terminal 3 it was a $7 at the bar who bra we are. Who said the engine is so we for amount $4 well man when businesses are looking for dollars to trade. I know munya bi na man penny and na buying the sikani boy who bra ya kaka bensem. E di premaya eni sun faswa. This is what was happening. This is what happened. Kofi a dollar a cedi has become the weakest in Africa because ya buy no penny phone on my bone. Woman hui.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Boy win. Ubi so say how much and I bind their akoshe kasapekum. They won't be able to tell you. How much and I bind say grabbing oil mills. You meet Akwadufo Juma Obi the factory pay 25 years. No kwako jina kwako koto chewing sticker man was in my factory. And the second one manufactures doors for Katobinko Nick and a farmer Munin Canada because he gave them $5 million. That one we were able to state physical. How much was given to them? We gave them $5 million. It will be in the factory. Nanka Mahama Akoma Tobinko Mo and can a farmer money all those $5 million because Mahama $5 million. Now Baby in the factory.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Cheap governance. Cheap people. Running a cheap government.
Wait to make a without those.
Almost. Now buying a four, I mean, cheap, yeah, they're that four. I buy that four. I be a bazaar. Can't I describe them in those terms? Say, my moon cheap. I'm cheap. Go on the streets. Yeah, let me tell you. And then 3 days. Do you know what Tanzania has done? Because of the conditions, world market. You must be able to have economists who will be able to study the world economic order. Normally, local programs are.
Akoma FM 87.9
Kumasi. Go to Tanzania and then 3 days. You taxes every petroleum product because of the upsurge in price of Brent crude and WTI crude on the world market. And to say the impact negatively in bread on man for no taxes. Yeah. Bola tax in our also. And as soon as the quantum moves, the percentage quantum also moves. What I say? Say petrol no, na yet as there 36 CDC. Say na 20 cedis na buying a tax bu na 1%. 1% of 30 cedis cannot be the same as 1% over 30 cedis.
87.9 Kumasi.
What you say? It means that tax abribi a petrol because we be sika buying ji wo mu na esan akosoro. Still, I buy a broke. Until me charge my foka. I buy why you broke? Why you helpless? I really need answer. And sometimes I be asking myself, "No, free I could say, Mama fine, Mama to coin." I don't know what. But we are only sure, Mama. Omo kase was so by Yamunjada. Mon can't Doctor Kuto says, "Sen Ombra." Maybe all Kobe Omra, a percumo, more from Ajinsem. Mon fair mamma no more kufu ben muno. Anna Lemono, mon fair from Nana woman, I do almost
87.9 Kumasi.
I do go. You didn't jackal. I buy you my 4 Matt, Yanji Pell, Omani Pell. And you put it on Bajini May. Put it on Bajina Bay. Match there,
Dr. Baumia etouted the economic management.
Baumia,
indeed replaced incompetence with competence in the management of our economy. One man or one person cannot manage an economy. President had to put together a team. And when I look at colleagues seated in discussion during cabinet meetings and other meetings with ministers, it is just humbling to see the galaxy of competent men and women that the president has assembled. Furthermore, when I look at the economic management team, it is quite clearly a fantastic team. Professor Jambafo, Dr. Akutose, Dr. Afriye Akoto, Honorable Alan Chiramanting, Boachi Ejako, Ken Oforiata, Senior Minister Yao Osafo Mafu. What a solid team. In fact, can anyone remember the NDC economic management team? I am sure. I'm sure they themselves cannot remember who their economic management team was.
Concert is an ultimate.
Bo economy go back man.
Na me ne be concert on comedies competition. Me ne ba we
This is
be
the vice president of the republic.
Zuba. Me say on chaka.
Vice president of the republic.
Bosu ya so on charge my foka. Wo competent management team. Incompetent management team no. Bosu ya so manage my force can short to say the ashoti. On chaka. Akatuano Bosumi aso kate ba umiane ni so called competent economic management team ni say Bosumi aso adwumayefo AQ wo bank akatuane ma uye ni yanko ani mote uye ni yanko ani mote akatuane wei adwumayefo se mimbisa wo say Bosumi aso na your second match where are the salaries and munfere unya nipa kwa mo sori gba radio so be defending this reckless economic management. Masa, economics management of a country is not enye babadio. So konfa book bi. Now konfa obi thesis or yeah. Now da baba be jina now we throw jobs, now we comedies. Enye no o. Bosome so a economy ne ya wo betimi atuaka. What's the last week? I dey be almost start here. Almost said that. They come say fa ba kai be kan. Almost said that. I'm complaining.
87.9 Kumasi.
So on said that make say I didn't Nana Akuffo Addo nsema o me nya review na sika fo ni timi ntua eji omo nsem. That's the reality. Hey, uko schools ni bia e say supper any lunch na ega beans. Supper ni lunch na ega beans no mu di aji omo nsem. Pan no kwa na e di fra kokon dia atiko. What you say? Aji wom. Until me say me yere sister penny ya owo ya santwe. Kwese de be eduane koma no.
Ade.
Na say eduane de mango enye. Enti anu eduane ya mfa nkoma akwa na e beba na akwa na nyakoshoko. What you say?
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
I look at them and omo hear me say no hear mobo. Instead of them to be honest and humble, no conform na arrogance any opulence no person take akano de na masabe jam because wa manage de no manage efie ya nka banka badam za economy no musi ya sika o mutia kai waka abusu na so mutua mkanewe Ankofi we are saying that say abonku mampo ene egu ahene match mponi o na ketua mai na me May pay that here in July.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Yeah, tell na you live baby. Ninjaga. So we are there saying. One of why we are saying you may win. I didn't catch him. Yeah, Mahama na was 1 year. What is that catch him? And then I may buy me catch a UTAC was only the Omuji and answer. I don't know because only be my warm, trying your banner being your mom. Because it's kind of been what the old Yampon when your mommy. The Awuji said, Awuji, when your mouth was it over because everyone comes to me so jogger. Well, Abagana fire, more, but no, I have too much. Coffee,
as when you are GC in trade, my foreca.
Was it?
As when you are GBC.
No, it's economy yet. We know just why you
are just happy because you trade my foreca.
I'm excited.
I don't know, yes, sir.
I am excited that God has exposed them.
And this is so bad.
You
are not patriotic.
Oh,
you're patriotic.
Coffee,
you trade my foreca now when you are.
I am patriotic more than Akuffo Addo. I'm telling you.
Oh.
I'm patriotic more than Akuffo Addo.
Oh, you're president.
More, yeah, or you're president, but I'm a patriotic, say no. Send me your no. At this point in time, I yet to meet you my volcano. Me and fat jet and coacha 10 days. I mean, what they be or the buy back or
Akoma FM 87.9
back Germany or see the factory by your factory. No, you and say, yeah, the factory now near first South Africa, first 6 countries near the Marco, near the vice in see Egypt, Ebisu called Pretoria, Nibiamba. It means that the president spent money, spent huge amount of dollars,
Zuba.
toured around the world, came to tell us.
Let us say, I'm for Mr. 21st clinic, expert in sciatica treatment. This is a year we are upon what possibly. But you beer.